Here we come to the elevator at the Cushing Memorial Library and Archives at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And I wonder, why am I showing my Dover Impulse elevator call station? Well, you already know, we already have a Dover rated experience. That's right, here we go. The cab looks nice. B. 3, 2. Dover Impulse fixtures. I want to show you something out here. See, look at this. I have the exact same call station, which is why I showed at the beginning of the video. Anyways, we're not gonna linger around here because the second floor is indeed closed, so we are not going to snoop around here all that much. Oh, what is that? Something is sitting on the ledge right there. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.